Hello again, my brilliant learners. It's always a pleasure to have you here, learning one word at a time. Today's word is serious, but very important. It's something we should always try to avoid. Today, we're going to learn the word neglect. So, what does neglect mean? To neglect means to not give enough care or attention to someone or something. It can be a person, a pet, your work, or even your own health. When we neglect things, they often become worse, so it's a word with real consequences. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word neglect. He neglected his homework and failed the class. The garden was dry and full of weeds because she had neglected it. You shouldn't neglect your health. Go to the doctor if you feel ill. Some people feel sad because they are neglected by their families. If you neglect a problem, it usually gets bigger. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember neglect in context. I once had a plant on my windowsill, a little green one in a blue pot. At first, I watered it every day and gave it sunlight. But then I got busy with work and forgot about it. Days passed, then weeks. One morning, I looked over and saw that it had turned brown. I felt sad. I had completely neglected it. I gave it water and moved it back into the sun. Slowly, a little green leaf started to grow again. That tiny plant taught me a big lesson. Even small things need attention and care. So, that's the word neglect. To forget or ignore something that needs you. Use it when talking about responsibility, care, or attention. See you next time for another thoughtful word. Take care and keep learning.